The Nigerian Communications Commission has considered lifting the suspended spectrum trading guidelines 2018 pending conclusion of the ongoing review of the guidelines. The NCC Board was satisfied that given the state of the consultation, it was possible to lift the suspension of the STG pending the conclusion of the review. Details of these and other stories in our Africa Business Roundup.
Nigerian Communications Commission Board resolved that the suspension of the SDG be lifted and that relevant stakeholders continue to operate the STG while a new revised STG is finalized in consultation with the industry. The Commission had earlier announced that the suspension of STG 2018 for the Nigerian telecommunications industry and informed all licensed telecoms operators, prospective investors, industry stakeholders and the general public of the regulatory decision. It had also taken the decision for spectrum trading in response to telecommunications global dynamics, as well as the efforts to optimally utilize and maximize the benefits of spectrum as a scarce resource. Meanwhile, in South Africa, electricity shortages and the country's precarious fiscal position are likely to be the biggest obstacles to South Africa's recovery from the COVID-19 crisis, the South African Reserve Bank said on Tuesday. Though monetary policy has provided substantial support to the economy with the bank cutting benchmark interest rates to a record low of 3.5%, the pace of the recovery will depend on the factors outside the bank's control, such as improved sovereign debt, sustainability and structural reforms, the central bank said in its latest monetary policy review. The SA Reserve Bank has now shifted to a wait-and-see strategy as it expects the repo rate to remain low after aggressive monetary policy easing in the first half of the year to counter the economic damage wrought by the coronavirus pandemic. Finally, TRAS, an international media group dedicated to empowerment and entertainment of Afro-urban people, has entrusted Molotov Solutions to develop and operate the new version of its OTT platform, TRAS Play. Using the Molotov platform, TRAS Play will offer more than 25 live TV channels, 100 radio channels, and some 1,000 hours of on-demand content. The platform will be distributed in 180 countries, a first for Molotov, notably in Africa, Europe, Caribbean, and North and South America. When it launches early Q2 2021, it will be available in French, English, and Portuguese. TRAS Play will benefit from Molotov Solutions' full application suite, which has already attracted about 12 million users in France.